Hi everyone, and welcome back to our online story collection at the Perry Cook Library. We will be releasing weekly videos that include a story and an activity. You can pick up your activity bags on Monday of every week, and the videos will be uploaded to our YouTube channel on that same day. This is a change from before. We were originally going to upload them on Thursday, but we've changed it to Monday to give you some more time with your bags. If you complete your activity bag, you can return it to the library and receive a prize bag. This is the second video of several to come. Today we will be reading If You Give a Moose a Muffin by Laura Numeroff. Our activity this week is a craft activity based on things that we will hear about in our story. Let's get started. If you give a moose a muffin, he'll want some jam to go with it. So you'll bring out some of your mother's homemade blackberry jam. When he's finished eating the muffin, he'll want another, and another, and another. When they're all gone, he'll ask you to make some more. You'll have to go to the store to get some muffin mix. He'll want to go with you. When he opens the door and feels how chilly it is, he'll ask to borrow a sweater. When he puts the sweater on, he'll notice one of the buttons is loose. He'll ask for a needle and thread. He'll start sewing. The button will remind him of the puppets his grandmother used to make. So he'll ask for some old socks. He'll make sock puppets. When they're done, he'll want to put on a puppet show. He'll need some cardboard and paint. Then he'll ask you to help make the scenery. When the scenery is finished, he'll get behind the couch, but his antlers will stick out. So he'll ask for something to cover them up. You'll bring him a sheet from your bed. When he sees the sheet, he'll remember he wants to be a ghost for Halloween. He'll try it on and shout, "Boo!" It'll scare him so much he'll knock over the paints. So he'll use the sheet to clean up the mess. Then he'll ask for some soap to wash it out. He'll probably want to hang the sheet out to dry. He'll go outside to put it on the clothesline. When he's out in the yard, he'll see your mother's blackberry bushes. Seeing the blackberries will remind him of her jam. He'll probably ask you for some. And chances are, if you give him jam, he'll want a muffin to go with it. All right, so our activity this week is a craft activity. We're going to use materials that can be found in your activity bag to make a sock puppet just like the moose did in our book. We're going to use a sock, some glue, some googly eyes, and some pom-poms. This is one way we did it. I used markers to color on where I wanted my things to go. And then I stuck them on with some glue. You're going to want to use a good amount of glue because the sock absorbs some and the pom-poms will absorb some. If you have other things around your house that you would like to add to your puppet, that would be great. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope you enjoyed it. We hope to see you next week. Stay safe and keep reading.